Changsha China is the city where culture, history, and modern life blend seamlessly, offering unforgettable experience at every corner. Stretching along the Shangjiang River, Orange Isle, also known as Jizichou, invites visitors to enjoy a leisurely stroll amid lush gardens, tree-lined paths, and scenic river views, all while spotting the massive Mao Zedong youth art sculpture at its southern tip. For food lovers, Wenheli Food Market bursts to life at night with sizzling street food, neon lights, and the bold, spicy flavors Hunan is famous for. Just steps away, Kaifu Temple offers a serene escape into centuries-old Buddhist architecture filled with essence, chanting monks, and tranquil courtyards. Aiwan Pavilion, perched on Yuelu Mountain, provides panoramic views, poetic history, and the calm of classic Chinese gardens, while Huangxing Square pulses with local energy, street vendors, and monuments celebrating Changsha's vibrant spirit. Finally, Pozi Street Fire God Temple immerses visitors in faith, culture, and tradition, making every stop a journey through Changsha's rich heritage and lively modern life. Let's begin our journey. Number 7. Take a leisure stroll on Orange Isle. Take a leisurely stroll through Orange Isle, also known as Jizichou, one of Changsha's most iconic landmarks. Stretching over 5 kilometers along the Shangjai River, this scenic island blends nature, culture, and history into one peaceful escape right in the heart of the city. As you wander along the tree-lined paths, enjoy the gentle breeze from the river and admire the lush gardens filled with vibrant flowers and orange trees. Locals come here to jog, relax, and take in the skyline views of Changsha on both sides of the river. At the southern tip of the island stands the massive Mao Zedong youth art sculpture, a stunning monument honoring the leader's younger years in Hunan. Whether you're exploring on foot, renting a bike, or watching the sunset over the Shangjiang, Orange Isle offers a calm and refreshing break from the city's energy. It's a perfect place to experience Changsha's natural beauty and cultural charm. Number 6. Exploring Changsha's Wenheli Food Market. Food, culture, and nightlife. Changsha's Wenheli Food Market is where the city's vibrant culture and incredible street food come alive after dark. As night falls, the streets fill with sizzling aromas, glowing neon lights, and the buzz of hungry locals ready to feast. Here you'll find rows of food stalls serving everything from spicy grilled skewers and Hunan-style noodles to freshly made dumplings and crispy fried snacks. The heart of the market beats with flavor, bold, fiery, and authentic to Hunan's famous spice-loving plate. Don't miss the local favorites like stinky tofu, spicy crayfish, and sticky rice cakes, all made right before your eyes. Beyond the food, Wenheli Food Market offers a window into Changsha's lively nightlife. Street performers, music, and laughter fill the air, making it a place where food meets fun and culture. Whether you're exploring with friends or soaking it in solo, this market captures the true taste and spirit of Changsha in one unforgettable experience. Number 5. A spiritual journey through Kaifu Temple. Must-see spot in Changsha. Kaifu Temple, one of Changsha's oldest and most revered landmarks, offers a peaceful escape from the city's modern energy. Originally built during the Tang Dynasty and later restored, this Buddhist temple stands as a timeless symbol of faith, history, and traditional Chinese architecture. As you step through its grand gates, you're greeted by the soft scent of incense and the rhythmic sounds of chanting monks. The temple complex features intricate carvings, colorful pagodas, and serene courtyards where visitors can pause for quiet reflection. Statues of the Buddha and ancient stone tablets tell stories that span over 1,000 years. Locals and travelers alike visit to offer prayers, light incense, or simply admire the temple's beauty. During festivals, Kaifu Temple becomes especially vibrant, filled with lanterns, rituals, and devotions. Whether you come for spiritual reflection or cultural exploration, a visit to Kaifu Temple reveals the deep-rooted harmony between faith, history, and everyday life in Changsha. Number 4. Aiwan Pavilion Walkthrough. Serenity, history, and scenic views. Nestled on the scenic slopes of Yuelu Mountain in Changsha, Aiwan Pavilion is one of China's most cherished historical landmarks, a place where nature, poetry, and history come together in harmony. Originally built during the Shang dynasty, this elegant pavilion was a favorite spot for scholars and poets seeking inspiration. Surrounded by towering trees, tranquil ponds, and stone pathways, it offers a peaceful escape from the city's busy rhythm. As you walk through Aiwan Pavilion, the soft sound of rustling leaves and chirping birds creates a calm, meditative atmosphere. The red columns and green tiled roofs reflect classic Chinese architecture, while the engraved calligraphy inside tells stories of centuries past. Don't miss the panoramic views of Yuelu Mountain and the Shang River below. They are breathtaking, especially at sunrise or sunset. Aiwan Pavilion isn't just a scenic stop, it's a living piece of cultural heritage, inviting every visitor to slow down, reflect, and connect with the timeless beauty of Changsha. Number 3. Exploring Changsha on foot. Markets, monuments, and local life. Exploring Changsha on foot reveals a blend of bustling markets, peaceful temples, and everyday moments that capture the city's authentic charm. Start your walk in the vibrant Wenheli Food Market, where the aroma of sizzling street food fills the air and vendors call out their specialties, from spicy stinky tofu to crispy fried snacks. Just a short stroll away, the Kaifu Temple offers a tranquil escape with its traditional Chinese architecture, prayer halls, and incense drifting through the air. Continue your walk to the scenic Orange Isle, a favorite spot for locals to unwind along Shangji River with the iconic statue of young Mao Zedong watching over the city. End your journey at the Aiwan Pavilion on Yuelu Mountain, surrounded by lush greenery and poetic history. Every step in Changsha tells a story of culture, flavor, and everyday life. Number 2. Exploring Huangxing Square. Huangxing Square is the beating heart of Changsha, offering a lively mix of history, culture, and everyday city life. Surrounded by bustling streets, this iconic square is home to impressive monuments, including statues of revolutionary heroes and modern sculptures that reflect the city's vibrant energy. Strolling through the square, visitors can experience the lively markets where local vendors sell everything from fresh produce and snacks to handmade crafts and souvenirs. Street performers often add a playful atmosphere, making every visit unique and engaging. As evening approaches, the square transforms with colorful lights and a lively crowd enjoying food stalls and cafes. It's a perfect place to try local Changsha specialties, from spicy stinky tofu to sweet pastries, all while soaking in the city's rhythm. Photographers will love capturing the dynamic blend of traditional and contemporary architecture surrounding the square. Huangxing Square is more than just a landmark. It's a window into the life, culture, and spirit of Changsha. Number 1. A cultural journey through Pozi Street Fire God Temple. Nestled in the heart of Changsha, Pozi Street Fire God Temple is a captivating destination for anyone interested in culture, history, and spirituality. This historic temple, dedicated to the fire god, has been a center of worship for generations, drawing locals and visitors alike. Its intricate architecture features beautifully carved wooden beams, vibrant red lanterns, and ornate statues that tell stories of ancient traditions and religious practice. Walking through the temple grounds, you will notice the serene atmosphere, punctuated by the scent of incense and the soft murmur of prayers. Visitors often take time to admire the detailed murals and symbolic decorations, each reflecting Changsha's rich cultural heritage. Beyond its spiritual significance, the temple is a hub for local festivals and ceremonies where traditional music, dances, and offerings bring the site to life. A visit to Pozi Street Fire God Temple is more than sightseeing. It's an immersive experience into Changsha's history, faith, and vibrant local culture, offering unforgettable moments for travelers and cultural enthusiasts alike.